Have you tried this oat banana cookies? Please, you need to pay attention to this video and try it for your family. Your kids will love it. Everyone at home is going to love this recipe. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chinasa Mati and you're welcome to another video. On this video today we are making oat banana cookies, and for this recipe I'm using 2 ripe bananas. I'm using oats. I have milk. I have powdered milk here. I melted my butter. I have flour, sugar and raisins, and any flavor of your choice. You can use vanilla flavor. Here I'm using banana flavor. So I'll start by matching my 2 bananas, adding the melted butter, add in my sugar. Please mix very well. Then you can start adding the other dry ingredients. A thumbs up, drop your own comment, and please try this recipe and come and tell me, oh, I did it, and how was the outcome.